Got four mounting bolts holding the bracket in. A 14mm bolt. All right. Don't forget your foam gasket. If you're doing this, you might want to replace this, but I'm gonna just, since I didn't order one, I'm just gonna reuse this thing. So. And here we are putting in the floor bracket. All right, we're gonna connect the lower part of the steering shaft. This is very hard to film. Holding a flashlight and a phone and the steering shaft. All right, so you gotta line that hole up. There we go. Thing's splined, so get it all the way down. Put your set screw in. Don't forget to put Loctite on your set screw. All right, now we're gonna lock down the coupler on the column side. And dimple the shaft. All right, YouTube, real quick. I got this column in. Assembling turn signal lever, hazard lever, and tilt lever. This is the hazard. It just screws on. Fairly straightforward. All right. Turn signal lever here. Works good. Now tilt. All right, it works. Now one very important thing, don't forget to plug don't forget to plug your wiring harness in for your emergency flashers and turn signals. Very important. Don't forget. Final step, put on the steering wheel. Now you gotta, this shaft is splined, so it only goes on a certain way.
Anyway, I still have to get in alignment. Seems to be going pretty good like that. Alright.
Maybe it's sticking out too far, I don't know. All right, let's fire it up and try it out. working. Well, we got it done. We got the universal IDDIT steering column put in today. Everything seems to be working just fine. Probably tomorrow I'll probably take it on a test drive and see how things are going. If I had put a direct bolt-on column in this Jeep, it would have been very expensive. Going with the name brand IDDIT, which is a very, very good, very reputable brand. The universal type, it can go in anything, but it was actually less. You have to buy a few extra parts to make it work, but it wasn't that bad. Even the steering, if you were to buy a steering shaft manufactured for this Jeep, it would also be very expensive. But if you build one yourself, you can save a lot of money. All these parts they're Amazon parts. This is an Amazon Jeep. Amazon, AutoZone, a little bit of everything, I guess, but a lot of AutoZone. Yeah, Amazon. I mean, yeah. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give me a like if you liked it. And comment. If you have any comments, anything that can be improved or anything, tell me what you think. But especially I hope if somebody is looking to do something like this, I hope this video helped you out or helps you out. And there's always a way to save money. If you do your research and be smart about it, you can save a lot of money doing this kind of stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and hopefully there'll be more content to come. There's a few more projects I got in mind. Then if I have time, I may film it. Throw it on YouTube. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching.